But of course, Coach Tim Cone is testing dahil dun sa kabilang side ng court. Si Tony De La Cruz natawagan ng offensive foul eh. Same situation.
Well, with Ralimi scoring 1 point so far, it seems apparent na ito si James Yap at si Kirby Raimundo will have to work double time, no? Along with Peter Jun Simon.
Ay, may kasabihan kasi tayo dyan eh. Be careful what you wish for eh. They wish for more touches.
More touches. Okay.
Di ba? Parang ganun yan eh. Be careful what
And also, Pure Foods was also longing for a big man.
Yeah.
No? It's no accident why Red Bull is the #1 team right now.
Because they complied. Yun ang ating unlimited height eh. O, di kumuha ka mo ng 7-footer, di ba? Nagsunuran lang yung ibang teams eh.
Of course, yung unlimited height is not applicable to both of us. Dahil unlimited pataas, hindi unlimited pababa.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Rela Ralimi with his first field goal in the PBA. I'm sure makakahinga siya ng malalim dito dahil
nabunutan ng tinig.
Oh, nabunutan siya ng tinig. Well, here's that shot once again. Reda Ralimi, prior to this, was 0 out of 3. Turns around, fires, and it's good as we take this timeout.